Architecture with regards to daylighting occurs with the understanding of its spatial importance. Understanding the space as a box, daylighting throughout the day can be illustrated. What often occurs with the need of light is increased dependency on active systems. This architectural box then begins to branch itself with considerations of light, to which floor-to-ceiling glazing is implemented in hopes of lighting the entire space. Yet this leads to an extreme loss of heat and an increased amount of direct lighting and external noise infiltration. Shrinking this window beneficial to reduce heat loss and noise still stems itself into direct lighting and glare, often in need of shading devices. What occurs with the need of ambient lighting is the decision to reflect light into the far reaches of the space. A simple integration of a light show allows this diffusion to occur. Architectural clerestories, defined within Visual Delight in Architecture by Lisa Hashong, is a high section of a wall that contains windows above eye level. Its purpose is to admit light, fresh air, or even both. It is such a window that can be automatically operable and allow for an increased circulation of air to occur through stack effect, regulating active systems rules within the summer months. Such placement of windows also decreases the amount of air infiltration and heat loss, but increases the amount of light diffusion and heat gain as light begins to reflect off the ceiling. The factors in which vary the internal conditions with the implementation of a clerestory is its height in relation to the ground floor, its size in width and height, its ability to control internal air circulation, light diffusion techniques, and the implementation of shading devices. Such a clerestory can be integrated with a punch window at a lower height to allow for the breaching of light to both reach the back and front. Daylighting can then be integrated with the architectural decisions. With understandings of a clerestory, its vital attributes are then seen beneficial to harness diffuse lighting, to which a sawtooth technique, often seen with clerestories, can occur to completely light up the space with ambiance without discomfort, whilst also mitigating internal conditions of light, temperature, and noise. The Datong Art Museum, designed by Foster and Partners in Datong, China, finished construction in 2021, takes a clerestory as the only source of natural lighting throughout the entire building, made up of clustered space trusses that create massive pockets on the interior. These clerestories help minimize solar gain, whilst protecting the artwork within from solar damage. As an occupant stands within the space, it becomes apparent that the diffusion attributes of a clerestory in combination with a reflective surface floods the space with beautiful ambiance. Apart from its sustainable attributes to only allow for the breach of light through sole clerestories, the architectural language is motivated by its interactions with light. Thus, its flexibility is enhanced by the ample amount of internal natural lighting without the need for extra glazings. Its architectural beauty and simplicity is exemplified as a simple interaction of light and shell combined with internal space. And so the simple element of a clerestory window, through its mitigation of space and internal conditions, can become the driving principle within architecture to provide a surreal occupant experience of comfort. After all, architecture cannot be experienced without the playful nature of light.